Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to rename files and folders in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let me just create a new folder here so that I can show you. Okay, so let me just click on new and go with folder, and let me just double tap to it and add a new text document inside it. Okay, let me just do a right click, go with new and new text document. Okay, so in order to rename this file folder, all you need to do is you need to do a right click, and here you would be able to see a list of the options. Now, if you don't see an option here which is rename, okay, then the Windows 11 has changed its settings. So we need to click on the icon. So at the top of that, you can see there a scissor icon which you can cut it, and you can see also a copy icon which you can copy it. And here you can see the rename icon beside this delete icon. So all you need to do is you need to click on it. You can also use the keys which are F2, and by that you would be able to rename that. So let's say we will rename that into test. And the moment we have click on enter, there we have that we have just successfully renamed our file folder into the name that we want to go with. Okay. Another method that you can do is you need to select the file folder and you need to locate the cursor here in the name and double tap to it. Okay. Let's try again. So we need to locate our cursor here and tap to it. Okay. And once you have tapped it, there you can name that. Okay. So when we name that into test one, and when we click on enter, there we have that. We have just successfully renamed the file folder into the name that we want to go with. Okay, let's try again. So let's do a right click here. Okay, go with new and go with folder. So if we want to rename that, we just have to click on the cursor here, tap once, and name that into test 2. Click on enter. And the moment we have click on it, there we just have to do a right click also, go with rename icon, and when we delete that into and name that into test22, there we have that. We have just successfully renamed the file folder. Okay. So those are the steps on how to rename file folders in your Windows 11. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.